So today let me introduce you to Van Der Horst, a BOP well-controlled equipment manufacturing as well as repair facility API approved. Right now let's get in there and I will take you on a tour which you will enjoy. Cheers and stay tuned. Today we'll be doing the pressure test of a 23-quarter hydrant double ram. So we are going to do a hydraulic test and we are going to do an integrity test. Everything going on at Van Der Horst, well-controlled equipment company that takes care of a lot of engineering, and you will get definitely good results. Thank you for watching.
Hydraulic function test on the blind ram cross position at pressure 1005. We are holding here.
There is no drop.
Ada drop sini, ada drop, tapi mungkin sisa-sisa ya.
So we are now testing the hydraulic system integrity with the blind rams in place and with normal operating pressure. So this is the safety pressurized chamber where the BOP is enclosed and protected for safety reasons. So the pressure is recorded using a chart, and the pressure is read over here, 1500 psi, and these are the calibration date for the Burton chart. So this is one side of the workshop capacity with good lifting arrangements all over, and Mr. Get Out. So this is the work instruction procedure. They follow adequately, and it's very important that they follow each step which will ultimately give us a product value. To remind you about the date and time of the inspection. So we have achieved 10 minutes of success, 1500 psi. We can release now. So the pressure released to zero. The next step is we have a good chart recording, and now we will do the hydraulic pressure test for the open position. We just finished the closed position. So this is the area of the pressure test. It's a chamber, enclosed chamber, with the mechanic there now getting ready to prepare the open hydraulic pressure test. So open hydraulic pressure test going up to 1500 psi, and then we lock it in for another 10 minutes. So this is a big lathe used for remachining of a man engine crankshaft. It's quite huge. It needs a central position to hold the crankshaft, and I can tell you they have some great equipment over here. So this is the other half of their workshop. It's pretty huge in capacity, and number of machining machines, lathes, hobbing, drilling, surface grinding, absolutely unbelievable. I am thankful to be visiting this place. This is all their workshop office area and partially storage with accuracy in walking area, defined spaces. Absolutely amazing. So these are the BOP parts, or any part can get into here in the induction furnace, and it can heat up to a temperature of 1200 degree Fahrenheit. So 10 minutes are done on the hydraulic closed test or open test, and now we'll bleed off. So we done the blind ram and we'll continue on the pipe ram. So let me take you around and just show you the BOP equipment in this workshop. It's a very, very huge volume, and they are API 16C, 6A compliant, certified to 2023. Absolutely amazing shot. I'm amazed. Really, absolutely perfectionists in their job. There's a lot of things going on over here, and plus we have our inspection going on at the same time on the double ram to check the pipe ram chamber and also the blind ram chamber on a hydraulic test for the open and close, including the piston chamber integrity. Wow. Just showing you some internals so you know what's inside a hydral and some internals, how the internal cavity looks like. Just a crankshaft in their office. This is all their certification. Here is some cavity repair, good machining, perfection. This is a huge kind of a vertical lathe. You can see the tool, absolutely amazing. You can cut machine to precision. There you go. Time to go. Excellent visit.